Hey everyone, it's Marilyn. Welcome back to KK's Quilt Studio. Today I want to talk to you about magazine templates and how I use them. Magazine templates are, those pages that you find in the middle of the magazine. They usually refer to a featured quilt, something that has pieces, applique pieces, or a block that requires paper piece templates, or maybe there's pieces of a block that are particularly difficult to cut because they are unusual angles. They're not 90-degree or 45-degree angles that you would be able to easily cut. So those magazine templates are inserted into the middle of physical copies that you receive in the mail. I get copies of my subscriptions electronically. So there are separate PDF files that are available on the different subscription websites that you can go to download, and they're usually a PDF format, and I just keep those filed away in my computer as an electronic file, a PDF file for the coordinating magazine. We're going to be using the McCall's Quilting, its most recent issue, as of date to March, April of 2019. And we're going to be using this tulip applique template that's found on there. I'm going to take it into Corel Draw and then convert it through Canvas Workspace to templates that I can cut out on my Brother's Scan and Cut. So let's get started. If you don't receive your magazines electronically, you can do the same thing by scanning the pages found in the middle of a physical magazine you receive in the mail. Scan it through your scanner, printer combo, whatever you have. Save it as a PDF file, and then I've opened this up in Adobe Reader, and this is the electronic page of the template, the applique templates that I'm going to use in my Brother's Scan and Cut in the Canvas software. So this is just a picture of the PDF file. So here I have opened up my Corel Draw, and I am going to import the copy of the magazine template, and you'll get this dialog window. I'm importing a PDF, and I just want to use the shapes, so I'll check the curves box, and then I don't need all 10 pages, so I will select page 4 where the tulip template was found. So I'll put that in there and click OK. And there we have a copy of the template. So now, since I don't need all the information found here, I will do some deconstructing. I don't need this. All I want to do is isolate the shapes. So I will remove all of the words that are found in here. I will keep this box because that is the box that I'll show you later. I will need it as a guide just to make sure I have the correct scale. So once I've removed all of the words and extras from here, this is what I will be left with, just the tulip shapes and the tulip stems and the leaf. So this is what I started with, and this is what I want to export. So I will go to File and Export, and I will save it as an SVG file, and will change in the drop down menu here. I want to save it as file type, SVG, scalable vector graphics, and I called it the McCall's Quilting Tulip, and then go ahead and click export, and I already have this one available. Now I'm in I've opened the laptop version of Brother Canvas Workspace. There is also an online version, but I'm using the offline version today. And I'm going to go to the little SVG icon on the left, and I'm going to import that file that I saved in Corel Draw. And there you'll see it brings in my items. Now, it duplicated a few things, so I have some extras. So I'll clean up this file and get back with you. I've already gotten rid of some of them. All I need to do is select the item, and then you can either edit and cut, Control X, or you can simply hit delete on your keyboard. So now I have all the pieces that I originally started with, and here is my box. Remember I said I would show you how I needed that. I have my words in there, which I haven't erased yet. Let's go ahead and change that fill color. We want no fill, and OK. And then I will separate this box. Get rid of those words. See if I can just grab that box and separate it. Yeah. Then I can simply select my words and delete, Control X, or otherwise get rid of them. Okay, there's that box. Now remember, it was a 1-inch box. That was what the note said. So let's go to the edit tools, and indeed, yes, 0.99. The height of that box is 1 inch. So essentially everything came in exactly at the size that I needed. So now we no longer need that box. So we will cut that. And I will select all of these pieces, take off the fill because I don't need that. So now we're just left with the outlines, and you can sort them according to how you're going to cut them out. If you're going to use greens for all your stems, you may want to place these, move them around so that you can cut out the colors accordingly to how you lay your fabric on the mat. But that is it in a nutshell, how I transfer that PDF or scanned PDF of my magazine inserts, the magazine templates. That's how easy it is to take them into Scan and Cut and cut them out using my Brother Scan and Cut. One other thing, if you wanted to use this as a do hand sewing instead of machine sewing, you can add a 1/4 inch to all of these, or 1/8 of an inch, whatever your favorite needle turn applique is, and cut them out as well. I like to use just raw edge applique and create my machine embroidered projects. You could even take this into a machine digitizing program and create your template there. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget you can contact me through any of these social media groups, the Digital Quilting Bee, either the message board on groups.io or Facebook group. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can always drop me an email if you have questions, and check out all of my other classes on my website at kksquiltstudio.com. Thanks for joining me today, and until we meet next time, I wish you happy quilting.